With the Concept You, the Volvo Car Corporation shows that it has taken a new and important step in developing what is called Scandinavian luxury.
What we've wanted to do with the Concept You is make something very exclusive, something very premium, but also using exclusive materials and simplify things down to the real Scandinavian values that we feel are what Volvo design's all about.
The goal has also been to show what a future Volvo design could look like.
This is a good indication of a possible potential future Volvo product. Here we're trying to change the ingredients a little bit. We're going a little bit more simple when it comes to the surfacing, but we enhance the craftsmanship and the quality of all the materials.
Like the wood here, for example, should really sit in the surface where it sits naturally and not like in a trim piece. It's actually a part of the design. And handcrafted leather, plush where you touch it, and really handcrafted surfaces like this one that actually connects to the seats in the rear.
Volvo has put an enormous amount of work into developing a completely new interior design that will appeal to and attract modern people.
Putting people first, putting people in the center of the thing, designing around it, designed around you, hence the name, is a sort of attitude to luxury which we find in Scandinavia, which we're translating into this car and our future Volvo.
Volvo's designers have also found inspiration in older Volvo models that they now take with them into the future. The radiator grille, for example, is made from a single piece of polished aluminium.
One of the things we wanted to achieve with the front end of the car was to make a very purposeful face, something that would give luxury, exclusivity, but something that was completely unique for Volvo. And what we did was divide the areas from the top and the bottom into this being the main feature of the grille and this being the lower, both of them taken from our historic cars, this area being from the PV 544 and this from the Amazon.
Simplicity has been something of a watchword when they developed a completely new pad technology. In principle, 2 touchscreens replace all the buttons and knobs in the car.
The interior uses a new system which actually gives the driver and passengers a command of information that they can actually send to each other. You can see this via the lighting in the center console, but also it gives you command of all the information, especially even when you look at the information, so that it's not in your face all the time. You don't have buttons to control everything. You actually have touchpad systems, but also if you look at the system, it actually detects if you're seeing the system and then gives you information feedback rather than having something visual the whole time.
For Volvo, Concept You is an important step in the evolution of the company's next large luxury sedan.